I have opened up and I am ready for war. But there's one thing I want to tell Kwame Afrifa. I will take something precious from you.
Agency and Odi for Cabinet my friend Ajagurajah was stepping in the beef between Kevin Taylor and Okatakyie Afrifa Mensa. I see an obaye no. What the Afutu Abema Afrifa say, in fact, Afrifa ontwa beef biya or war with Kevin Taylor ontwa so. That's in Kebe Yempa onpa Kevin Taylor achew na omu seize everything. Omu seize every fire. Now identical na Ajagurajah kind sumi as Odi Afutu with Emma Okatakyie Afrifa. At the end of this particular video, no, over the entire Ajagurajah, it is a foot same way. Emma Okatakyie Afrifa Mensa. I have a Penyah Brock Media. Mess was any day. Over like a video, no other my web subscriber to us. Now back like a better person connect for latest updates. Now for better watching Eddie Mamma. Ever commercial message was a yarn was a big pneumonia so any be ashe. On set ye bet 12 anymore and almost started Sunday warning Emma Afrifa some journalists be a now almost show no. Almost speaking for MPP. What I say, I'm a Captain Smart, any Kevin Taylor, and other NDC supporters no started to almost warn a bimo. I say it is either you stop your program or we storm the studio. Just say, I can't say, I mean, who say, almost over we ya, Mahama Irene, no, less than a week. Anna Okatakyie Afrifa Mensa and sure the program all year, NUTV, no. They will say, always studio, I'm on for best storming studio, hold my son, open up with some kind of day. At the end of the day, no, Bibia, Basbasebia, NC, Omquakana, Afrifa, any honomo. Nessa, Afrifa, a Timon Afrifa, so a resign to resign as a month with an air cancer. Captain Sambe can be, as I say, as Omo, Ewan, and Oma Fayano. Cavitas can be so, Omo, no, it's your Fayano, and now Bibia, okay. On to say, Afrifa now, a beer the studio, what to do for the records. I obey media, no so dear. Captain Smart. Kevin Taylor Omunina no match will be a boot for boot. And it is so interesting say Captain Smart has lost in the 10 air. So I'm going to stop for more. Okatakyie starting the show. Captain Smart ayeda. And every first buy on Kevin Taylor Omu, they're having interesting beef back to back. Any other day we can renew your counter.
The picture quality you are seeing, you think it's a joke. I know the 3 people who are sponsoring your show. 1 year NDC or a 10, 2 people MPP for. I know them. I know everything. Into me, I know so many things in Ghana. I know the people who gave you money for that thing you have built. 3 people, Baku NDC or a 10, and 2 NPP people. They gave you money. And you be from Omokra Brom once woman. Whoa. So sometimes I watch you people and I laugh. Now with him, now we do producers attempt. Our boys don't do it, papa I'm telling you, come in a deal do it, and cramine. And then when Makota, you don't even understand what you are doing. You think video card and about production, how much resource do you have? Do you even understand what you are doing? Or sound they said you're time. You know, I can direct you how to even make what you are doing solid. Just pad the room well. Make sure you have enough resource. And your video card can see how and you have good sound. How much resource do you have? The room you sit in, what the TV are watching, you say studio. Do you know how much investment goes into this? That is why there's a difference between my production and majority of the productions you watch. You think it's a joke? It is not. You don't understand what you are doing. What is studio Kasadi said, what chance him? You think it's a joke? Hard to get this quality. We work so hard. It involves a lot of sacrifice and a lot of commitment and truth. You don't go out here. You need to have knowledge about everything in your studio. Where Jimmy, you are a kid with a small dick with a weak heart. 19-year-old. TV, YouTube, MPP for more move free so munko nenka 2000. Munyina move free so hi munko move free onko. Loud Silence TV, Facebook, MPP for more munyina move free so munko kwasiafo. Move free move fin munko. Mo bia anka ha ya bese ka nipa 2000 pe. Because we bese nipa 2000 pe hwe me. MPP for more platforms munyina move free onko ejimi for kai. Move fin. Munyina move free Facebook ni YouTube munko. Move free her. Me pese can nipa 1,000 pe. Me pe nipa 1,000 pe on Facebook and YouTube. Me pe more than 1,000. Munya move free on MPP for move free her. Hi. Munko moi. I don't need you here. I'm talking to real Ghanaians. I'm not talking to pigs. Move free her. I don't need the numbers. I don't want the numbers. Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, MPP for munko move free her. Hey, me kwa ko bonyo move free munko. I'll be back. Munko. Muti to Ghana, money data, money internet, money light, and a mobile live show. What's your phone? Why illegal connection, be? Why illegal connection ever be live show? Mo your live show Ghana na money scabeto data. Money scabeto data how be live show? Who bet my live shows have 4 years? Who bet my live shows have 4 years? Huh? Wakuma yare nwedro ko nya ntonno me kwasia. Uni sika ba show mame. Uni data sika be live show. Uni see live show. Uni sika dey live show. Eh, we kwasia fo. Eh, yani yadwuma ni o. Yani edi dro. Yani asate yani ya sorti ye hu de na wo. Why illegal connection? Wo so uni data. Ena wo so a wuti okura wo sa de ka. E ma police for pe watch wo. Wo do kwasia so be live show ama Ghana for. Wo be do live show. I don't ever say. Munim di ade ti agamu humi ananka motwem. Munim si bi ade we ti a agamu humi anka wo ka say Kevin. Hey, we a hard guy. Hey, we just had a form. Uniska, why illegal connection? Uni data. Over live show. Okasi enimu. All right, now let's take our business. Concern in our town.
Just say back to back. Nice media. So there's always fire on the mountain. Until say Kevin Taylor get so emotional. Na obet trete Okatakyie Afrifa.
I have opened up and I'm ready for war. But there's one thing I want to tell Okatakyie Afrifa. I will take something precious from you. Listen to me. I will take something precious from you. And that thing I'll take from you, you will never be happy again. Okatakyie Afrifa, I'm saying this on my show. Obe sansio, obe nom, untumi mene. The person chill will do we say. And you understand what life is. Obe frɛ wo yere, say on sansio ma wo. Entumi tell minimum. All along, I saw you as my kid brother. Every time I saw you like my kid brother. So I didn't really want to react to you because minya odimechi unin age pe. Yeah, minya odimechi unin age pe. I saw you every time as my kid brother. Okatakyie Afrifa. Anything I wasn't responding to you, you were a child. But you have bitten more than you can chew. You have incriminated yourself. You are a criminal. You think you can blackmail people. Me say, I've opened the doors. I am ready for war. And say, when I hear somebody mention my name, now I'm responding. I have a reason, and I have time for every single thing I do.
This particular threat, Afrifa mensa, ever reply, ever got oh. Na asema unia aircan enyo no na beye National Security Council kwa na air plan bibi enti Kevin no ni bopa untimi kana no ntum na no etro opreso kasa edi epona National Security Council enna bo no eno no abeteto dey so na obeka dia begya nimonyam dey so obeka na hunu na Afrifa
man yeso ne o masisho da na me hunu yi ya to abawi na se wo so di aban aba no problem. Hey, moko we mkobo no. Moko we moko che no. Moko hye we. Anso be ka se no ono ankasa te abuchiri. Oye coward. No onye coward a. Sa branche we. Oba ye. First day oba Ghana. Otena United Airlines. Omo ya na obi liki ma me se unua na Washington a oba. Na me say okay no problem. Now let me tell him, Obabedu you get 15 or more than a fine. I'm aware. Now just so you know that even people around you don't like what you are doing. Baby, I know Namubia. Na me aware. But the car numbers go Facebook and I make sure. Or decide is Obeko aye or na me aware. Or decide is Obeko. Nanim on any paper di bonibi wa aye or do obaye. Na mashada na menka wase. And crime has no expiring date. No statute of limitation on crime. Oh no, Papa. When government changes, you pay for it. Wabedi bonibi obaye ya wadi omadi bonibu ayodo, and I'm aware. Now obaye ya branch say, say me num obe take something precious away from me. Na me hunu say nkrofo decode say, obeye juju ni ade nya juju. So actually, the conversation across for national security they say, say me ma catch national security coordinator say, oye your mama boy dia, they will come after me. Now one of the things they will do, because my voice in the unique here, they will make sure they hurt my voice. It is idea no yeah. Obenumu show ba fro yire say obenumu show. It means they will infect my throat with something just so I can't talk. The way Jiminti, Oka Samuchire no, Oba kind of said one day. It was a plan of the national security against me. National security, me no cash. Oma kwa jeme call records. I omu tracking crofo. Me no omu din komo every day. Trace womu. Me awe. Fire. After omu wiye ya, omu se me car mitwi no, ombeje car no, because my work national security coordinator ye boy. Ora Osman, who ni akoma ntimi nya national security. What me for national security so we obi akurima. There are more pressing issues on national security. That borders on national security. What me for me nya yastic. Pa mu kume. Nya masem. Car no ekura me no. Me nwia car. Se me wia car. Mo fa nko court. Na court meje. Nyo obi aka ye mekwa Afrifa me car. Ana nya aban na de car ma me. Eji se mo se mo otumi a. Na se mo ya sa de we se mo be use force a. Me nka hwe. Na mo se de tumi no ani podua no anka na ntwe ne to no. Akufo do 8 years abetwam. I can bet you honestly, one government change, obi obeya sa de ni bia me I'll come after you. Yes mo kume. Some se mo nya nkwase ade ni jimi. Da bia mba pound for pound. Sadi Akufo do ba ye nneoma mo se mo be research. Mo ba de mo ye worse. Exactly. Obi an remember obi awu. Afa branch say wabagana. Na me no a aka me bae no. Meye eye ye friend say press conference we airport. Na ma to sign. Secretary Afrifa in town. Ashe shoe red. Any khaki. Any check. Kurasini. Wey. Abranche wi. Obi? Ompomwie. No we are bae. First no na wo betrasia. Aya hwe ne Lacos ba ko bi blue bi wonsesa no. Anu atwetwe pa. Obi, otasha pa. Emso okoko cinema nta de wi a. Oye ya ne nsa hu ahuro. Won so sori ya na. Wa betena ho na. Oba ye ya ye pesi kama no. On say wo hwehwe lane shirt. Ana wato go chin kitu bi ato ni botini ko. No we superku. So go chin. Wey. Wagakupali. Oba na jomama nenem. But you are a fugitive of the law. Okay, Bintela. Nana agwini ne say obetimi atena America. No what in some morning. But you were electronic a year actor, ye diaba. And you were Criminal and Other Offences Act 1960, Act 29. Na Oko Constitution anymore. Article 1921. And there can be said. When we say criminal offense, it shall be the criminal offense of Ghana, which the courts will have jurisdiction over it. And for that matter, which is outside the territorial integrity of this nation, the court will not have ordinarily a jurisdiction over it. But you know something? There is a principle in law called the initiatory jurisdiction of a crime and the terminatory jurisdiction of a crime. We make one test because I'm lecturing you. It is a way idea, baby. Na say you feel the impact of sad no so baby. Although one yes hard no but because crime not happen the court can sit on it. Beno ka say Oni Sankuma, o chanto to Sankuma so without fact. Naka was no fight for mine. That's what kind of credit. Careful court in American Adeba. Fatuso. Sankuma led by Thaddeus Sorry. Yes, speaker lawyer. Speaker lawyer names Wodim Kwasasemuti. Odi Sakumbachi and a koye. Omokoye Yama full judgment. Fadienbra. 2.9 million and he awarded against Kevin Taylor.
More fire.
No.
Others in the FIFA so ever mad this counter defense. Na eno na asemu a Kevintela kan ye no. Ana Ajagurajah answer Ajagurajah ono no ye honhum nsem. What rather hwedi no see there be asema Kevintela e kan emotion. It mametu Okatakyie Afrifa mensa bones efo. It Ajagurajah abetu Afrifa efo say asemu a Kevintela e kan ye no. Enye joke. It be ya ontwa bibia so.
Kevintela kan asembi. Me yana me yanhye. Afim fra Okatakyie na me nya no. Was Okatakyie me nua. Kelvin so we did several times on the platform so or the also be massive. Let me tell you baby was so. Na Kelvin tell a can say me chira Okatakyie Afrifa. I want to see. Na manfo bibiri dwene say Kelvin e ka physical. E jira ka me frɛ Okatakyie ka chese Okatakyie. So me nua no dey. Be so wa hoba but me word no use you and say o you be sense your man o the be go but enko minim a spiritual word that Kelvin Taylor use. Listen to me very carefully. A spiritual word that Kelvin Taylor was I will take something precious from you. One coffee and your physical. Your friend is 73rd works. 73rd works spirituality. A spiritual key. And Obiema Okatakyie. But a man for be the question physical so me poison Okatakyie. No! I'm not poison. Your friend the 73rd works. Now, Saadiana Wakano, there is only one group. Only one group. What group of what's assistant who uses our words, no? Mean can't say your cortex. But the word no use if he himself understands the word. The only occultic group that uses that word, your friend, the widow's sons. You're from the widow's sons. You shall drink water, but it will not go down your throat. You shall drink water, but it will never sink down your throat. The 73rd works of the widow's sons. It wouldn't know soon suma the idea, no soon suma no. Obi kasa ko do soon suma yet here. Bibi will be say. It my mama just to kono mo women kabi. Won't this soon normal sia. Assume you know kwa yenyiram. You're from the widow's sons.
Na ompana to na asem ehunhum asem a o chirema Kevin Taylor belong to one of these occultic society na omo enchi a any omo statement na wonu a eken bi as well as say obetie ana onti de oba ne next edition on his for the record show any be hunu say avutu na Ajagurajah ajema no ofai ana say one fa wo so say na wo hu afutu na Ajagurajah edema Okatakyie Afrifa mensa bonsu no obetuma kyerɛ wadwo na mame ewo comment section aha Penyah Media.